Litecoin has been among the beneficiaries of the broader strength in the cryptocurrency complex. The robustness of its volume is still showing a belief in its underlying fundamentals and its future. Most recently, Litecoin price has recorded volatile market activities, with most of them being bullish. Moving forward, what does its future look like? Is it set to hit new all-time highs, or is it set to cool down? Also, is Litecoin a token you should keep an eye on this year? Let's find out these and many other interesting Litecoin stories. Now, before we start, make sure you subscribe to Crypto Academy for your daily dose of crypto news, and also turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified when we upload, since YouTube doesn't always recommend videos of people you're subscribed to. Also, leave a like on this video so we know if we should make more similar videos. Having said that, let us get right into the video. To start off, let's have a look at what is happening around Litecoin currently. The token rose by 2.67% on April 16th, following a 4.14% April 15th gain, when it ended the day at around $286, according to FX Empire. The crypto had a mixed start on April 16th, which saw it rise to an early morning high of $282.8 before reversing. However, FX Empire believes that Litecoin would need to avoid a fall through the $281 pivot level to support a run at the first major resistance level at $296. Moreover, support from the broader market would be needed for Litecoin to break out from April 16th swing high of $291.25. FX Empire further believes that if the Litecoin rally extends, the token could test resistance at $315 before any pullback, while the second major resistance level sits at $306. Elsewhere, the headlines have it that Litecoin, among other altcoins including XRP and WRX, are coins you shouldn't ignore. According to Crypto News, you shouldn't just sit down and watch the huge potential gains of LTC, XRP and WRX slip under your radar. Why is this though? According to Crypto News, LTC-BTC indicates a challenging key resistance, which is a suggestion that new all-time highs are coming for the USDT pairing. Looking at an LTC/USDT chart provided by Crypto News, it's obvious that a bullish breakout is underway. When you look at this chart, Litecoin is beginning to reverse the years-long downtrend on the BTC pair. In other words, Litecoin is gathering up steam to potentially outperform Bitcoin, which by the way is already very bullish. According to Crypto News, the crypto hasn't achieved a clean break yet. However, Crypto News believes that if LTC-BTC can reclaim 0.0045 SATS, we see a decent base forming that could send it to 0.007 SATS and beyond. Moving on, what does the future of Litecoin hold? According to FX Street, Litecoin began breaking out from a symmetrical triangle with a whimper on April 3rd, but later ignited and rallied the coin to the measured move target of $292.2, representing a 38% gain. However, a lot of FX Street technical data points to the direction of a continuation of the LTC rally, while the bearish momentum divergence on the weekly RSI does raise some caution for speculators. You could be wondering, why does a bearish momentum divergence matter? It does matter because it occurs when the price makes a new high, but the RSI prints a lower high. Moreover, according to FX Street, the breakout conviction indicated that there is a basis for Litecoin to potentially rally a further 47% and knock on the all-time high of $420. FX Street further believes that some resistance might come into play at the 78.6 retracement of the 2017 to 2018 bear market at $334.88, but after that, the path is open for new all-time highs. Elsewhere, with the most recent Litecoin price rally, you could be wondering, is the run really sustainable? The simple answer is a resounding yes. According to Crypto, the Litecoin price rally is very much sustainable. The concentration of large Litecoin hodlers was nearly 50% on April 14th, and was set to increase as the token continued with the rally, something AmCrypto believe that it would suggest that the price rally is sustainable in the long term. According to a chart by AmCrypto, Litecoin trade volumes seem to be lower than the average recorded in February and March 2021. Despite the low volume, the chart indicates adequate liquidity and volatility, meaning there is room for vertical growth in both the trade volume and the volatility. Moreover, the AmCrypto chart indicates that Litecoin's price is directly proportional to its trade volume, since its peaks correspond with the high volume peaks. What does this mean? This simply means that unlike other top altcoins, Litecoin price is not primarily driven by its correlation with Bitcoin. Rather, Litecoin price relies on the concentration by large hodlers and the trade volume across exchanges. Moreover, are you wondering whether Litecoin prices will ever be cool again? The most probable answer is no. Despite the token being on the verge of losing its top 10 status, yes, Litecoin is about $1 billion away from losing it has been holding for a while. Its chances of cooling down are minimal. According to beneficiaries, one reason it's not likely to cool is due to its growing institutional adoption. Talk about CoinShares launching Litecoin products for trading, Grayscale, which has been steadily accumulating Litecoin, and PayPal adding Litecoin as a payment option for its US users. Another reason why Litecoin will not be cooling soon, according to beneficiaries, is due to its recent network improvements. The Litecoin Foundation achieved a huge milestone in late March 2021 when it completed the code for Mimblewimble Extension Block, or MWEB, which is said to improve key features that Litecoin lacked, including fungibility and privacy. In other exciting news, Litecoin is set to list on Deutsche Börse. This is after the London-based ETC Group announced earlier this week that it will list a physical Litecoin exchange-traded commodity, or ETC, on Deutsche Börse's Extra Market, based in Frankfurt on April 14th. According to Finance Yahoo, the new product will be a central counterparty cleared exchange-traded product, or ETP, and will track the price of the Litecoin cryptocurrency. The new product, which will trade under the ticker ELTC and marketed and distributed by HAN ETF, will have a 2% management fee. The move by Deutsche Börse follows after asset manager CoinShares launched a new, physically backed Litecoin ETP on the Swiss SIX exchange earlier this month. Conclusively, have you ever had a thought that it's too late to put your money on cryptocurrency? This is for you. It's not too late to start investing. According to Stormgain CEO Alexander Althausen, cryptocurrency is still in its infancy. It is becoming more widely available, and soon will not be a privilege or choice, but part of everyone's daily life. This is precisely the time to get ahead of the game. Alexander advises new traders not to be afraid, but instead try different areas and use various instruments. And that's it for today's video. Please make sure you like this video so we know if we should make more similar videos. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications if you haven't already, so you stay up to date with the most important crypto news. And we'll see you tomorrow in another video. Take care.